So that's why you don't charge by the hour for lawn care, okay? That took like about an hour. But the hard work, man, that's what costs money, is the hard work.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, y'all, what's going on? Charles here, AllCoastLawncare. One of our customers moved out of their house and they're asking for a lawn care. All right. So they have a ditch, but they don't like to pay for the ditch to be serviced because it's 80 bucks for the lawn, and with the ditch, it'll be 150 total, ditch and lawn. All right, but I only serviced it. This will be my third time servicing it this this year. All right, within 7 months of the lawn care season, and they wait for it to grow out, and they don't want me to service it, so I charge them $150 to service it because it's overgrown. All right, but let's take a look at it. So here's a ditch, y'all. All right. Now the bad thing about it is I can't get my zero turn in it because of this part right here. This big old little drop. All right, this rut, and it's too steep right here. Okay, it's very steep. All right, like right here. All right, so I got the walk behind 36-inch. I'm gonna knock off 50% of it with the walk behind. All right, now on that side I could do like 2 passes on that side. All right, and the middle part I'm gonna string trim it. All right, so let's knock it out. Hey, make sure you walk the ditch, y'all. I already found one of these little flags. All right, these flags right here, y'all. These flags, man, they'll make your tire flat, all right, with this rod. So make sure you walk the ground. All right, y'all, there's the other side. All right, there's a long ditch, okay? But there I am over there. All right, y'all. Hey, if my camera shuts off, it's because it's hot out here and the camera and the phone's gonna overheat. But so I'm shooting everything away from the street, okay? So I took the mower back to the beginning, so I'm gonna finish that off. All right, but I have to go that way so I can shoot away from the street, okay? That's a liability just in case if I don't see a rock or something hard, I'll shoot out the chute and it may hit a vehicle or somebody, okay? So you want to prevent damage to property or injury to somebody else, okay? Hey, possibly death, all right? Hey, these are powerful engines, okay? These are powerful mowers. A piece of metal shoots out of there, you could kill somebody, okay? So just be careful. Hey, for a job like this, if you don't hydrate, hey, you can pass out, okay, especially when the sun's out, all right? Make sure you wear a cap and you hydrate. So this is a long ditch. We got done with this side. We're gonna go and do the end, all right? So what do you think? How much would you price this ditch, all right, to maintain it? And how much would you charge right now since it's overgrown? Hey, leave a comment. All right, hey, don't forget to hit that like button too. All right, I really appreciate you watching this video, subscribing to my channel in advance. Thank you so much. All right, I'm just a basic lawn care dude, going at it for 5 years now. So that's why you don't charge by the hour for lawn care, okay? All right, y'all, I'm finished, man. Hey, looking at my the time of my video, all right, it took me 40 minutes, all right? So that's why you don't charge by the hour, y'all, because you're taking into consideration the wet ditch, trying not to get your mower stuck, you're manhandling that walk behind, or a regular push mower, the wear and tear, all right, on the walk behind because of that tall grass, all right. You're on the street, so that, hey, you're risking your life, okay. Just the overgrowth, y'all, you know, walking that ditch, you know, your body, man, is just doing work, okay, just trying to stabilize on that ditch, all right, like walking sideways, or your feet getting wet, you know, your boots getting wet, so that's wear and tear to your boots, y'all, okay. The string trimming, y'all, okay, that's wear and tear to your string trimmer, man, like that overgrowth right in the middle. So take all that into consideration, okay. Don't charge by the hour, charge by what it's worth. How much would you charge for that ditch, y'all? Leave a comment, okay. So I told the customer during the season 150 bucks to do the yard, which is back there, y'all. The yard is like about 0.7 acres, all right. It's maintain the ditch, okay. Every time I come, I do the yard and the ditch, but he always just told me just the yard. So every time the ditch overgrew, I'll charge him 150 bucks extra. I've only done that like 3 times already, y'all, okay. So this is the last time I'm doing a ditch because he moved out. But how much would you charge for the ditch, y'all? Okay, I'm charging 150 extra, all right, plus the 80 bucks for the yard. That's $230, y'all, all right. It's either that or 150 for the yard and the ditch if you was just to maintain it. Leave a comment, y'all. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, hydrate, okay? Hydrate, all right? When the sun's beating your head, hydrate, okay? Wear a cover, okay? Wear a cap. All right, wear something, okay? Hey, y'all. To all my fellow vets out there, okay? Hey, there's hope, all right? When you're feeling it, y'all, when you feel life is heavy on you, hey, just call or text 988. Okay. Hey, God bless. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.